Constructo mod. It can be used to modify your constructo weapons.
I can't see. Yep. Should have changed the camera. Okay. What? Fine. And I'm just gonna fast forward to go back where I was because it doesn't really take that long. Just like, yeah. Yeah, that's why I fell. Take me to the child pillar. Thank you. Here, I'll pull out this conveniently placed bridge for you.
Thanks, kitty.
Not a kitty.
This way, kitty.
Not a kitty.
Halo! Oh, I was so worried about you. Brax is still out there with the Zyborgs. Please find him.
Yeah. I don't want to enter look mode. This is ammo, by the way. That little orb thing, the square orb, I don't know. It doesn't make any sense. Stupid little kid. Whoa. What's in here? Oh. Cool. Well, that was cool. That's a 1 out of 40. Now let's go save that little stupid kid.
Are you a real old man?
No, I'm a kitty. Did you hear your brother?
I think my mom's over here.
Hurry up, little kid. I'm faster than you. I'd win in a race.
So much.
Happy to be of service, man.
He didn't do anything.
We'll be back soon. Come. We have to get into the village.
So, what are these things?
Mutated viruses from the Cortocopter. We haven't
Those
seen
are
them
very
since
mutated
back in
viruses if they
years.
become octopus
Someone
mushrooms.
must have opened to the Zoni. Albius, open the door.
Yes, Alvius.
Anessa, what are you doing out here?
The Zyboids are back. There must be something wrong with the timekeeper.
Not in front of the outsiders. Quickly, we must head into the village.
Okay.
These creatures are the least of our worries right now. Well, one of the elders spotted Lord Vorsalon's warship over the falls.
Yeah. For some reason, all of the male versions of whatever those things are behind us, that guy, all the guys go every like 7 words.
Congratulations.
And when you do stuff enough, you get a level up. So now I do more damage or something. Medium doesn't seem that much different than easy at the moment.
They won't stop until they've broken through the wall. We have to protect the villagers.
Okay, I'm protecting them. Oh, out of ammo. Well, I guess I can use this. Even though there's ammo right here. Oh. That's weird. Okay, let's kill this thing first. Die, little mushroom.
Are no longer safe. Come, we can offer you sanctuary within these walls.
Yay, sanctuary. Sanctuary. Die.
I saw your starship crash on the other side of message. I believe
And you didn't even try to help us, jerk.
The ship's trashed. There's no way we'll be able to repair it.
Ah, but the Zoni can. Meet me at the Temple of Zan whenever you're ready.
I'm ready.
Explain everything.
In memory of Zan Gribnak, father, friend, and chief of the Fungoids. Looks like this guy was some sort of hero.
I thought I just saw something in the background. This weapon is awesome, but it's not really that great, but whatever.
The Sonic Eruptor! This genetically mutated Xenogoat is the perfect weapon for crowd control of a destructive nature. Firing the weapon at a group of enemies will unleash a deadly and destructive mating call. For added kick, try squeezing the trigger when the Xenogoat's lungs are full. The Sonic Eruptor. Available only at Grummet.
Yay. Now let's go. To be honest, I don't really want to use the Sonic Eruptor right now, so. The actual just normal gun is a pretty good weapon until you get some other stuff.
Your starship is not beyond repair, but fixing it will take powers beyond anything this universe has ever seen.
Oh, that's wonderful.
To be taken lightly. Can you keep a secret?
If you say no, he'll just say, too bad.
Capable of almost anything, but they are also hive minds and must be kept together for their energy to work. Inside is a vessel which will allow you to rescue lost Zoni and harness their bioenergy. Follow me and don't touch anything.
I can't guarantee that second part, but okay, let's go. Temple of Zon. Psh.
We'll have to seal you inside until you recover the vessel. Are you sure you don't want to stay here? We have a lovely miniature golf course.
I'll be fine. Or, link it in my nav. We'll stay in radio contact.
Open the door for me.
Red shirt is a go.
Thank you.
Alright, the key to surviving situations like this is to avoid phrases like, it's too quiet in here, or everything's going to be alright.
This reminds me of Mario. That's there if you need some help.
Let's hope this vessel is worth it.
According to the chief, it's one of a kind, brought to this dimension by Orbis and entrusted to the Fungoids.
And he's sure it'll fix Aphelion?
And let's go
More than that,
make this guy stop shooting lasers at us.
resource in the Omniverse.
Ooh, look at the shiny object. And who's that statue in the background? Huh.
Whoa! Quark, there are 2 Zoni in here.
Those poor lost little creatures. See if you can grab one with your wrench and stuff it into the vessel.
There's one of them. And you need 40 Zonies to do the extra boss, which I've already made a video of.
Operation Red Shirt is a success.
And that one ran away, and I don't know why this is called Operation Red Shirt, but I'll go with it. Come back, little Zoni. Ooh, the fire looks like it's going slightly faster. By slightly, I mean way faster. Okay, jump that. Come here, little Zoni. Yay. How he fits that in his never-ending pocket, I do not know. I did it.
You survived? I mean, you survived.
I told you he'd do it.
Well
No, you
done.
didn't.
The vessel is yours. Come, there is one more Zoni we put in the old armory for safekeeping. Our guards discovered it wandering around the waterfront. It can help you repair your ship.